All right. So can we begin? Great. So सबसे पहले तो namaste to everyone present here. Let me start off by first thanking Ahilya Yoga Kendra for approaching me for this small session on healthy endocrine system. So simultaneously we also have the Zoom session wherein I would be seeing you all actually performing it live. So let's get ready for it. सबसे पहले तो mentally get prepared yourself for this 1 hour yoga abhyas, है ना? So सबसे पहले attain a very comfortable posture which would be involving you to, let me just, yes, arrange it properly. Yes. So attain a comfortable posture involving your right foot toe to join the near perineal region of the groin. The other leg, left leg, on the floor, on the mat. अर्ध पद्मासन की स्टेट में रखते हुए दोनों हाथ सीधे in a very comfortable posture. Let's attain the chin mudra. Yes, chin mudra, आंखें बंद. Let me start the recording. With a comfortable chin mudra, आंखें बंद. Let's try to visualize the back of the spine region. Mentally try to relax if there is any stiffness around that part. Relaxing the facial muscles, relaxing the inner glands of the body. Let's mentally get prepared for this 1 hour yoga abhyas which would be majorly focusing on the endocrine system. हमारे शरीर की अंतस्रावी ग्रंथियाँ बहुत ही कारगर रूप से हमारी पूरे शरीर को संचालित रखने में कारभार संभालती है. तो इस पूरे सेशन के दौरान हम सीखेंगे कि किस प्रकार इन अंतस्रावी ग्रंथियों को स्वस्थ, सुदृढ़ और सशक्त बनाएं. राइट? सो लेट अस नाउ टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन. लंबा गहरा श्वास भरेंगे और श्वास भरते हुए अपने मन, वचन और कर्म से पूर्ण रूप से सजग रखते हुए लेट्स स्टार्ट 3 times ओम चैंटिंग फॉलोड बाय गायत्री मंत्र. स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Let us rub our both palms together. अपनी दोनों हथेलियों का आपस में घर्षण करेंगे और सहजता के साथ उस ऊर्जा को अपनी आँखों की पुतलियों पे लगाते हुए let us slowly open our beautiful eyes for the beautiful morning in front of you all. Namaste, namaste to each one present here. So, as you all know, हमारे शरीर में ये अंतस्रावी ग्रंथियां नामक इम्पॉर्टेंट ग्लैंड्स होते हैं जो कि पूर्ण रूप से शरीर को सशक्त, हेल्दी एंड एक्टिव रखने में कारगर रहते हैं. इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े तो सबसे पहले जो हमने शुरुआत करी थी प्रार्थना मंत्र से, राइट? सो व्हेन वी वर प्रेसिंग, वी प्रेस्ड दिस CV17 रीजन, वी प्रेस्ड दिस हार्ट सेंटर विच इज नोन एज द सेंटर ऑफ ब्लीस अनाहत चक्र पॉइंट. So when we pressed this part, we were in a way making ourselves ready for this practice by stimulating Anahat chakra point, the heart center point, right? Having prepared for this, let us now begin with each part involving the chakra association, the endocrine system association, right? So let's begin. सबसे पहले let us attain the state of Dandasana. Okay, so come on your mat and let's attain Dandasana, wherein we are allowing us to stay very much comfortable, keeping the legs straight, पैर सीधे, हथेलियां पीछे रख सकते हो. Let's try to first allow us to attain the state by keeping the right foot near the inner side of the left thigh. Take a deep breath in, stretch the arms. श्वास भरते हुए हथेलियां ऊपर की तरफ तानेंगे. Stretch fully, allowing the small cells to wake up and exhale. Let's try to touch the knee to the head. Forehead, माथे को जमीन, माथे को अपने घुटने पर लगाने का प्रयास करना है. Let's try to completely surrender. Exhale totally down. जानु शीरासन. इस अभ्यास के दौरान हम हमारे पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड रीजन को स्टिमुलेट करते हुए ब्लड सर्कुलेशन को एक्टिवेट कर रहे हैं ताकि वो हमारे ब्रेन की जगह पे पहुंच पाए सक्रिय रूप से. ब्रीद इन, कम अप अगेन, ब्रीद इन, रेज द आर्म्स एंड एक्सहेल. सो यह छोटा सा अभ्यास ज़रूर है, बट इस अभ्यास में हमने हमारे पैरों के मांसपेशियों को भी एक्टिवेट किया, साथ ही साथ शरीर के ऊपरी भाग को पूर्ण रूप से सरेंडर करते हुए we tried to we tried to get ourselves completely down. Yes, फिर से एक बार करेंगे with the thought that you are exhaling, emptying out your inner toxins from the body completely. Yes, take a deep breath in, same leg, उसी पैर से जानु शीरासन का अभ्यास. Exhale, head to toe touching point, head to toe touching, completely stay there, surrendered. Stay there for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Inhale, come up. Inhale, come up. And let's reverse the position by allowing the other leg to bend. है ना? तो हमने पहले दाहिने से किया था, अब बाएं पैर को मोड़ते हुए by bringing the heel near the groin region, let's try to surrender totally. Exhale down, allowing your head to touch the knee. हमारे घुटने को आपके घुटने को पूर्ण रूप से पैरों के अपने घुटने को पूर्ण रूप से completely माथे पर लगाने का प्रयास. Let's stay there for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in, come up and relax. Great. So, having been activated the lower leg region, let's move up to further practice. So, I would request everyone to stand on the mat. Everyone stand on your mat such that I can see you visibly properly. है ना? Yes. With this, let's begin by first allowing us to warm up with the sun salutation practice. Okay? तो सूरज हमारे पीछे है, सामने है इन पर. Yes? तो आपको तो सीधे से दिख रहा है. Let's try to seep in this energy by first joining our both palms together, pressing the heart center region, CD17 region. Let's keep the eyes closed. Let's take a deep breath in. मन ही मन पूर्ण रूप से बंद की आंखों से सूरज को देखते हुए, सूर्य भगवान को महसूस करते हुए आप पूर्ण रूप से समर्पित भाव से दोहराएंगे मन ही मन। ओम ध्येयः सदा सवितृमंडल मध्यवर्तिनी नारायण सरसिजा सरसन्निवृष्टः केयूरवांग मकरकुण्डलवानुकिरीटी हारी हिरण्यमयपफूर वृतशंखचक्रहार। ओम मित्राय नमः। Let's take a deep breath in and allow ourselves to once again raise both the arms together and attain the Namaskar Sthiti. First, Pranamasana. Then, next step, take a deep breath in and allow yourself to really stretch behind and thereby giving a nice back movement. Hastottanasana. Take a deep breath in and allow yourself to completely stretch behind in the Hastottanasana. Stay there for some time. Feel the back of the spine, cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, coccyx. पूर्ण तरफ से सभी हमारे मन को vertebrae को महसूस करते हुए let's try to exhale down in the state of Padhastasana. Exhale, surrender completely. Exhale down. Yes. Make sure that you are allowing yourself to completely dwell down, keeping yourself in this downward position. We are allowing the blood circulation to happen actively in the brain region. हम इस प्रक्रिया के दौरान हमारा पूर्ण ध्यान रहेगा that the blood is getting actively pumped to the brain, thereby stimulating the pineal gland, pituitary gland, right? So हमारा जो hypothalamus center होता है, hypothalamus part होता है, उसका direct correlation होता है pituitary gland को stimulate करने से। और pituitary gland एक important अंतःस्रावी ग्रंथि है जो कि रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है बाकी सभी एसेंशियल पार्ट्स को स्टिमुलेट करने में। लेट्स टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन वंस अगेन। श्वास भरेंगे। सी अगर आपके हाथ अगर नहीं लगते हैं जमीन पर, इट्स ऑल राइट। यू मे नॉट फील disheartened. You can allow yourself to catch hold the ankles. So you may in turn catch the ankles. अपने घुटने से नीचे की shin bones को पकड़े. You can catch the shin bones. Yes. So catch your shin bones and allow yourself to completely surrender that time. Exhaling, emptying out the air totally. Yes. Take a deep breath in and allow the left leg to go behind. Allowing the left leg to go behind. Let's allow ourselves to really look up and stretch up. तो यहाँ पे इस अश्व संचालन अभ्यास के वेरिएशंस होते हैं। या तो आप पूर्ण रूप से पीछे देखने का प्रयास करोगे या फिर you just allow yourself to look forward. But I prefer you to actually allow your toes to point out, toe pointing out, और अपनी आंखें ऊपर रखते हुए let's try to press these points, these fingertip points. Yes, press these fingertip points really nice. Exhale. Let's raise the left knee and allowing the right foot to go behind. Let's attain the Parvatasana, mountain posture, mountain pose. Let's attain the mountain pose. Stay here for some time. Breathe in and stay here for some time. Breathe out, stay there. Let's try to pedal. Okay? So while pedaling, we are in a way pressing the soles of the feet, which are thereby responsible for giving a nice acupressure method of relaxing the soles. आप जानते होंगे कि हमारे पैरों में भी बहुत essential glands का correspondence होता है. So that's why by pressing these parts of the soles, we are thereby stimulating these parts very effectively. also the hands are being pressed. हमारे हथेलियाँ भी press हो रही है. So have this mental awareness that you are pressing these parts properly. Keep doing. Yes, keep doing. All right. Yes. Let us now allow ourselves to really bend the knees on the floor. Bending the knees on the floor. Let's try touching the chest on the floor. Touch your chest on the floor. अपनी हथेलियाँ shoulder level पे. Yes. Let's stay here. Keep your buttocks up. म्हणजे हमारा कूल्हे का region ऊपर रहेगा. Let's stay here, allowing the groin part to contract. तो इस प्रक्रिया में हम हमारे ग्रोइन रीजन को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. अश्विनी मुद्रा जैसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके रख रहे हैं, मूल बंध लगा रहे हैं. वी आर होल्डिंग द ब्रेथ हियर. ओके, सो विद दिस practice we are in a way allowing the region which is majorly known for holding the part of the groin. So stay here for some time. Let's take a deep breath in. Toes pointed out. हमारे पैर के पंजे बाहर. श्वास भरते हुए ऊपर. श्वास भरते हुए ऊपर देखने का प्रयास. Let's try looking up the sky. हमारी आंखें पूर्ण रूप से आसमान की तरफ. ऊर्ध्वमुख श्वानासन. ऊर्ध्वमुख श्वानासन. Exhale, pressing both the legs. Let's try to attain the posture of Parvatasana. Parvatasana. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please make sure that you press your heels on the floor, okay? Sharda, please try allowing your chest to go in, na? मतलब you should be allowing your chest to press inwards. Yes. And Manaswini ji, आप अब पूरा ज़्यादा गैप मत रखो. Don't keep so much gap between your both hands. So like allow yourself to really press in a way such that आपके दोनों कानों से सटा कर रखना है हथेलियों को, है ना? So that's the correct posture. We should be making sure that whatever we practice, that should be done in a very poised and very beautiful way, so that उसके actual benefits भी मिले, है ना? So keep your hands straight, allowing the biceps to touch the ears properly. Stay there for some time. Great. Let's, after having attained this posture, let us bring the right foot forward. Bringing the right foot forward, let's look up. And giving a variation, let's try to now stretch back. पीछे देखने का प्रयास या फिर ऊपर देखने का प्रयास. Exhale once again, allowing yourself to completely surrender, trying to keep your both the palms on the floor, allowing the forehead to touch the knees. हमारा जो वक्षस्थल का रीजन है पूर्ण तरह से आपको अपने क्वाड्रिसेप्स पर लगाने का प्रयास करना है. Allow yourself to completely surrender. Forehead touching the knees. Forehead touching the knees. Great. So let me see क्या हो रहा है. Okay. All right. Good. So after which, take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Allow yourself to stretch back again. Breathing in the nice, beautiful and nourishing air. Let us attain the Namaskar Sthiti back again. So after having attained the Namaskar Sthiti, we are ready to go for one more round of Surya Namaskar. Yes? So let's get started. ओम रवये नमः. फिर से एक बार लंबा गहरा श्वास. एकम down. Chatwari, allowing the left foot to go behind. Let's look up. Now you have an option. You can either keep your knee on the floor, toes pointed out, or the other way. So like allowing yourself to really feeling the iliopsoas muscle of the inner hip region. Yes? Let's try looking up. And 5. Allowing yourself to attain this triangle posture. Let's make it a point that we are allowing the ears to touch the biceps. Stay here for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, allowing the knees to go down on the floor, allowing the chest to touch down on the floor. Let's stay here, contracting the groin region. Sapta, inhale, look back. Ashta, allow yourself to completely attain this triangle Parvatasana posture. Back again. Now, press the palms together. Press palms properly. हथेलियाँ पूर्ण रूप से प्रेस करेंगी, है ना? शारदा, yes. Okay, great. After which, then again go back to the state of allowing yourself to completely come in the posture of Ashwa Sanchalan. So bringing the right foot forward, look up, left foot forward. Let's surrender. Take a deep breath in, go behind, and Namaskar Sthiti. Okay, great. Let's do it one more time, one more last round, so that we just allow ourselves to activate that way, है ना? So sun salutation को फिर से एक बार करेंगे. ओम सूर्याय नमः. एकम, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षड, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश, एकादश, द्वादश. यस, तो अभी हमने संस्कृत के अंकों से किया था, राइट? एंड इस दौरान हमने अपने सभी अंगों के पार्ट्स को स्टिमुलेट करने का प्रयास किया, इन अ वे ट्राइंग टू वर्क ऑन ईच एंड एवरी एसेंशियल body parts of our system. Let us now get onto the mat to attain certain asanas. Surya Namaskar is not really an asana. Here we are warming up, right? In a way, we are allowing our muscles to get ready for it. Let us now get ready for the next asana, which is majorly going to focus on our hypothalamus part. है ना? So, after having done Surya Namaskar, let's sit on the mat in the position of Vajrasana. आँखें बंद रहेंगी, मन शांत स्थिर रखते हुए. Let's mentally get prepared for the practice of stimulating the hypothalamus region, the pituitary region. Okay? So क्या करोगे आप इस प्रक्रिया के दौरान? You have to make sure that you just allow yourself to tilt the head behind. Allow yourself to tilt the head behind. और आपका जो ये भाग है ना, this part and this part, Sahasrara point region. Sahasrara is the Brahmarandra, right? Sahasrara point region, you have to allow the inhalation and exhalation to go very actively. So, Buddhi तथा धृति शक्ति विकासक क्रिया. Okay? So, it is you have an option. So, for those who cannot really sit down in the Vajrasana, जिनको तकलीफ होती है वज्रासन में बैठने की, वो या तो कुशन लेके आप ऐसे रख सकते हो सो दैट यू गेट अ नाइस कंफर्टेबल सीट. अदरवाइज यू कैन स्टैंड एंड डू इट. ओके, यू कैन स्टैंड एंड डू दिस, बट I personally prefer to do it sitting in this position, allowing yourself to completely relax. और क्या करना है, आपको अपने पूर्ण रूप से ब्रह्मरंध्र रीजन पर फोकस करते हुए allow this inhalation exhalation to go very actively. Okay, very actively. So we have to do this process. Word of caution for those who are suffering from this hypertension and high BP, they did not do this practice. और आप अगर वर्टिगो से भी ग्रसित है तो इस प्रक्रिया को ना करें. बाकी सभी कर सकते हैं. इट्स वेरी यूजफुल एंड वेरी वेरी एनर्जाइजिंग अभ्यास. क्या करना होता है, आपको अपनी गर्दन को पीछे ले जाते हुए पूर्ण रूप से अपनी मन की आंखों से यहाँ ब्रह्मरंध्र रीजन पर फोकस करना है. एंड यू हैव टू अलाउ दिस एक्टिव फ्लो ऑफ ब्लड, एक्टिव फ्लो ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, which thereby is going to stimulate this active flow of blood as well. So let's try to look up. आंखें बंद रहेंगी और आपको पूरा फोकस अपने ब्रह्मरंध्र रीजन पे रखना है. and allow yourself to do this active inhalation exhalation for a count of 25 times. For a count of 25 times. All right? So let's get doing. Relaxing completely. Let's now allow ourselves to completely surrender down, keeping the head on the floor, keeping the matha or the brahmarandra on the floor. Let's try to feel the blood getting actually pumped down to the brain. Okay, so exhale down. Let us stay here in this position for some time. Let's stay here in this position for some time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale, come up, rise up again and release. Okay, so let's have another variation which is now going to work on our pineal gland. Okay, तो अभी हमने जो अभ्यास किया था, हमारा पूरा ध्यान था the 1000 petaled lotus which is there residing at this ब्रह्मरंध्र region. तो ये हमारा जो सहस्रार point है, this is majorly having its direct association with the pituitary gland, which is known to be very very effectively associated with helping us to stay calm, relaxed and this ultimate blissfulness point. तो आनंदमय कोश को पोषित करने वाला यह चक्र है सहस्रार चक्र, जो कि stimulated होता है by the pituitary gland. So the psychic center and the association of endocrine gland is what we need to learn in this yogic science. Let's go down to this pineal gland. हमारा जो ये third eye center है, that is also known as Ajna Chakra point, right? So this Ajna Chakra point is known to be having the direct association with the pineal gland, right? Pineal gland. So let us now get doing pineal gland activation practice, but for this you need to involve your hands too. तो क्या करना है, आपको अपनी thumb, index finger नहीं, thumb, अंगूठे को अंदर रखना है and let's attain this feast. Let's take a deep breath in and allow ourselves to really stretch the arms. आंखें अभी तो आप देखना, आंखें बंद रहेंगी और इस बंद आंखों से आपको मन की आंखों से you have to actually feel that you are going to activate this point. Yes, पूर्ण रूप से आपके दोनों भुजों के मध्य में जो ये point है, this seat of consciousness should be having the focus. Yes, so let's get doing. आंखें बंद रहेंगी इस दौरान. आपके अगर आपको परेशानी है to sit in the वज्रासन, You can come down, but however it's best if you attain this posture, because इस posture में हम हमारी वज्रा नाड़ी को activate करते हैं, stimulate करते हैं, जिसके मदद से हमारी appetite बहुत strong रहती है. Okay? इसलिए this is the one asana which is preferred during after food also. This is the only asana, Vajrasana, है ना? So let's be in this Vajrasana for few more time. Let us take a deep breath in and allow ourselves to really stretch the arms. And when we stretch the arms, we should be also stretching the hands too. Yes, take a deep breath in, stretch. Allowing your intercostal muscles, chest linings to really expand. Stay here. Exhale down. तो इस अभ्यास को हम करेंगे 25 times. Okay? करेंगे इस प्रक्रिया को पूरे मन के साथ. चलो, let's get started. Relax. Let's relax, allowing the full focus to be on this point of eyebrow center. Let's try to catch hold the hands behind and surrender down, allowing the head to touch the floor. और अपने माथे को जमीन पर रखते हुए let's try to feel the point very cautiously. So योग मुद्रासन का अभ्यास. Allow yourself to completely visualize this point of pineal gland. Great. Inhale, come up. और अपनी हथेलियों को open up करें. And let's try to attain the next posture. Okay. So आपके अभी पैर दुख रहे होंगे. You might be having some slight pain. So let's attain this Dandasana. We'll just try to relax these parts. So allow yourself to completely relax. So you may shake your both the legs, allowing the lower extremities to loosen up, open up. So appendicular skeleton का part होता है ये lower part, right? So let us now allow ourselves to really relax, keeping the hands also relaxed. So let's vibrate and warm up this part. Great. Having loosened the lower part and the upper hands part, let's try to come to the state of Sukhasana. It's time to learn a new practice, different practice, which is known to be stimulating the next important point, that is the thyroid center region, right? So thyroid center region is known to be having a very, very close association with the BMI, body mass index, right? So इस अभ्यास से हम हमारे थायरॉक्सिन के स्टिमुलेशन को एक्टिवेट करेंगे. और इस प्रक्रिया के दौरान आपको यह ध्यान रखना है कि आपका पूरा फोकस should be at this point, thyroid center. So there is this thyroid butterfly position, butterfly shaped gland. Also उसके पीछे फिर parathyroid gland होता है. So they have this major responsibility playing towards our appetite, catabolism, metabolism, anabolism processes in the body. So let's allow ourselves to mentally get prepared for this prakriya. Great. So क्या करना है आपको? अपनी जो ये हाथ है ना? So you have to allow your hands to really press on the floor and allow yourself to attain this posture of keeping the knees on the floor. Keep your knees on the floor, toes pointed out. Let's allow ourselves to really exhale out the toxins from the part of this गले का region. Okay? तो आपको क्या करना है? पूर्ण जोश के साथ exhale out. Exhale out. All right? So what you have to do? Simhasana. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in completely. And let's take the tongue out. Okay? फिर से एक बार श्वास भरेंगे. फिर से एक बार Last round. Let me see कैसे हो रहा है. So let yourself completely take out the toxins from the body. Take a deep breath in. Yes, take a deep breath in first. And exhale. Great. So सभी ने जिह्वा बाहर तो निकाली थी, है ना? और हमने हमारा पूरा ध्यान रखा था हमारे गले की रीजन पे, पर आपने शायद अपनी आंखों को फोकस नहीं किया था. So what you have to do is basically allow your eyes, right, to focus, to get concentrated at one point. So like you have that completely state of one pointedness. But आपका ध्यान मन की आंखें यहाँ पे रहेंगी. Let us now go ahead with the next part, which is also known for stimulating the thyroid region, है ना? तो हमारा ये जो गले का पार्ट है, this is essentially responsible for having so many essential nerves flowing down through it. तो brain जो majorly कार्य करता है हमारे पूरे activities को carry out करने में, all that is having the nerves, essential nerves, which have to flow through this gale ka region, है ना, through this neck lining. So it's very important that we allow this part to get stimulated properly, है ना. तो पहले तो क्या करेंगे, we'll just try to loosen this part so that if there is any blocked prana, let it loosen. So let's take our hands, keep our hands on the lap. Allow yourself to loosen the shoulder blades. Take a deep breath in and really feeling the shoulders. Allow yourself to really open up. Inhale, exhale. So inhale, half circle, exhale, half circle. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's do this other way around. Anti-clockwise. Bringing the shoulders, ball and socket joint of our kandha, let's get them forward. Allowing your T-blades, deltoids, trapezius muscles, latissimus dorsi to really get contracted and relaxed. So keep doing this prakriya and release, relax. Let's try to now get ready for the next abhyas, which is known as Ujjayi. Okay, so Ujjayi abhyas. इस उज्जाई अभ्यास के दौरान आपको क्या करना है, श्वास तो हम भरते ही है नाक से, बट हम धारणा करें, अनुधारणा करें, मन से धारणा करें कि आप अपने गले को सिकोड़ेंगे. यस, सो यू हैव टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट योर नेक मसल्स, राइट. एंड इन दिस प्रक्रिया यू हैव टू ऑल्सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर हैविंग द अटेंशन at this point. So take a deep breath in. After having done at your maximum limit, allow the chin to touch the collarbone or the sternal notch. Having attained this posture, let's stay here. Okay, तो जालंधर बंध लगाना है. You have to put a lock to this point. Put a lock to this point. After having put the lock, let's try to stay here for 30 seconds. Okay, let's try to stay there for 30 seconds, and then after that exhale through the left nostril with the thought that you are allowing the exhalation in the form of relaxation. Okay, तो हमने ऊर्जा उत्पन्न करी with the help of this ujjayi abhyas, and then we finally हम exhale कर रहे हैं left nostril. करेंगे इस अभ्यास को. रेडी? कोई डाउट्स है, यू कैन ऑलवेज रेज योर हैंड एंड आस्क इट. यस, सो लेट्स गेट रेडी फॉर डूइंग दिस अभ्यास. लेट्स कीप आवर हैंड्स ऑन द लैप. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन. Exhale. So रिलैक्स, आंखें बंद रहेंगी कुछ देर। तो इस प्रक्रिया में हमने हमारे गले के छोटे छोटे कोशिकाओं को सक्रिय किया था। इस सक्रिय किए हुए कोशिका का डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है हमारे थायराइड ग्लैंड पे, राइट। सो हैविंग डन दिस अभ्यास, लेट अस नाउ अलाउ आवरसेल्फ टू come to the next gland. It's time to go to the next gland. So are you ready for it? Yes. So let's allow ourselves to attain the posture of Sukhasana. Attain the posture of Sukhasana for some time. So you just allow yourself to get out from your usual Vajrasana. Yes. So let's get doing the next important point, which is known as the थाइमस ग्लैंड, राइट। सो थाइमस ग्लैंड, आप जानते होंगे कि हमारे ये जो थाइमस ग्लैंड है वो मेजरली रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है, थाइमस ग्लैंड है, इट्स मेजरली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द इम्यून सिस्टम, फॉर द हेल्दी इम्यून सिस्टम। इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रोटेक्टिंग द बॉडी। सो द हार्मोन नोन एज थाइमोसिन plays an important role in production and development of the WBC, mature T cells, and killing the intruding pathogens. So the thymus gland is what we are going to stimulate right now. Yes? So let's get doing. तो हमारा जो इसका लोकेशन है, that is just behind this chest region, that part of the अनाहत चक्र point. अनाहत चक्र point. Okay? सो आपको मन में ये धारणा रखनी है कि इन दिस प्रैक्टिस ऑफ हार्ट सेंटर रीजन वी आर देयर बाय स्टिमुलेटिंग द थाइमस ग्लैंड, ओके। और चेस्ट ओपनिंग आसनास लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल what we are going to do now are majorly responsible for activating this point. Okay, so let's get doing. तो सभी अपने स्थिति को फिर से वज्रासन में रखेंगे. So get back to your Vajrasana state. All right. Let's attain the posture of seated. So you have to stand on your knees. Stand on your knees now. Great. Take a deep breath in and allow the right hand to touch the right heel. Right hand touching the right heel, and left hand touching the left heel. Take a deep breath in and allow your chest to really expand. Okay? पूर्ण रूप से हमारे वक्षस्थल के पार्ट को सक्रिय करते हुए लेट्स ट्राई टू स्टे हियर फॉर सम टाइम. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Exhale. Allow yourself to reverse the posture and thereby attain the samasthiti. तो ये तो था उष्ट्रासन. Okay, so for those of you who are very yuva, who feel that they are yuva and who feel that their spine is very flexible, let's attain the posture again. And आपके पास दो options है, या तो आप normal उष्ट्रासन करना या फिर मेरे साथ आपको पूर्ण उष्ट्रासन की स्टेट में जाना है. सो पहले तो देख लो, है ना. सो फर्स्ट लुक एट इट. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन, अलाउ द हैंड्स टू गो बैक, एंड एज यू मूव बैक, allowing the chest to expand really and making the hands go back. Slowly relax completely, relaxing the arms slowly to get back to the normal state. And after this you have to go down. Okay, so इस प्रक्रिया में हम पीछे गए थे, ऐसे आगे जाना है in the शशांकासना. Okay, तो we'll be doing this प्रक्रिया. Let's get doing. Okay, तो सभी मेरे साथ रेडी हो जाओ and we'll start. See, you can either attain this posture, okay, and stay there. It's equally benefit giving. It's equally benefit giving. So keep doing this practice with the thought that you are allowing your chest to expand and the anhat center to activate. Yes. Let's start. Breathe in. We'll do it for the some counts. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Exhale, go down. And slowly release. Exhale. And this time let's try to surrender down, properly allowing yourself to completely relax. Shashankasana. And in this prakriya, let's now try to allow the chest to touch the floor. Exhaling completely. Allow the chest to touch the floor. Let's try to make the left hand go underneath. तो आपके बाएं हाथ को अंदर ले जाते हुए we'll try to press this region of triceps, है ना? And then the other side, दूसरे हाथ, दाहिने हाथ को बाईं जंघा, बाईं पैरों, बाईं हथेली के अंदर ले जाते हुए let's try to stay here and relax. Great. So in this prakriya we had worked on the Anahat center point. It's time we move or shift our attention to the next point, है ना? Next essential point is the Manipur chakra region, Manipur center, जिसको हम majorly जानते हैं solar plexus के नाम पे, right? So solar plexus is having the direct association with the pancreas. Yes. So let's try to get ourselves ready for this abhyas. सबसे पहले तो let's learn something essential things, right? So it's time to learn essential key points associated with this region. So जो हमारा pancreas है, right? The pancreas is that gland which is known to be very much responsible for controlling our sugar related issues. Yes. So blood sugar level अगर बढ़ जाता है, छोटा कम होता है, it rises or it lowers, it's all because of this point of beta cells in the pancreas, right, which are responsible for secreting the hormone insulin. Yes, और इंसुलिन के स्राव को प्रॉपरली स्टिमुलेट करने के लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट कारगर इम्पॉर्टेंट आसना जो है वो है अर्धमत्स्येंद्रासन, चक्रासन, which we are going to do now, है ना? सबसे पहले come in the Dandasana state. Let's come in the Dandasana state. And after having attained this posture, let's bend the leg, right leg. Bend your right leg, है ना? और left leg को right buttocks के नज़दीक रखते हुए. So if I could show you, I'll show you like this, है ना? तो right leg bend किया और left leg को, पैर को, पंजे को मेरे दाहिने नितंब के नज़दीक रखते हुए I would be allowing my left hand to just cross over and allowing the elbow, left elbow to press the right knee. Allow yourself to really twist, and during this twisting posture make your right hand go back, inhale, look behind, पीछे देखेंगे और हमारा जो बायां हाथ है वो एंकल जॉइंट को पकड़ेगा राइट लेग के. यस, सो लेट्स स्टे हियर. अर्ध मत्स्येंद्रासन, स्टे देयर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Reverse the postures and relax. So जैसे आए थे वैसे ही जाना है and samasthiti. Let's now get ready to do it the same prakriya with the other leg, है ना? तो bend your right leg, bend your left leg, allow the right foot to go near the buttocks of the left leg, allowing the right hand to cross over and catch the ankle joint. Let's try to align ourselves such that we are really pressing this pancreas point, and let's try to look behind. 1 2 the right arm and getting it relaxed. Let's try to attain the Samasthiti. Alright, so it's time to move to the next prakriya of stimulating the Manipur region. So let's lie down on the mat in the supine posture. Supine posture क्या होता है? When we just lie down in the back, right? So come in the supine posture everyone. सभी सुपाइन पोस्चर में आ जाएंगे और आप सुपाइन में रहते हुए ही आपको पता है ना, यू हैव टू डू द प्रक्रिया ऑफ लिफ्टिंग योर चेस्ट, एंड एज यू लिफ्ट योर चेस्ट यू शुड बी ऑल्सो लिफ्टिंग योर एब्डोमिनल रीजन. सो हमारा जो एब्डोमिन है इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ एसेंशियल ऑर्गन्स इनसाइड, एंड देयर बाय जो ये रेक्टस एब्डोमिनस रीजन है वो एसोसिएटेड होता है हमारे पैंक्रियाज से डायरेक्टली. सो व्हेन वी लिफ्ट अप we should be having this notion to contract, stimulate and stretch up. So क्या करना है? पहले तो allow in this लेटे लेटे ही आप अपनी जो मुष्टि बनाई है attain the feast, attain a feast, and let's try to rotate the feast. So we are just allowing our feast so that to rotate, कोई jerk ना हो इसलिए, है ना? Just allow yourself to rotate your feast and the other way around. Great. It's time to now allow our both the hands to attain the posture such that the fingers are pointing towards us. Fingers pointing towards us. Bend both the legs. Bending both the legs, allowing the shin bones to touch near the hamstrings. Let's take a deep breath in and we'll lift the stomach up. और जब हमारा पेट ऊपर जाएगा उस दौरान आपको पूर्ण रूप से सक्रियता से अपनी नाभि के पॉइंट को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना है ना? So let's take a deep breath in. Exhale down. Let's catch the shin bones together, allowing yourself to cuddle and making the nose touch the knees. हमारे नाक को घुटने पर लगाकर let's try to roll back and forth, back and forth, पीछे आगे. So we are just giving the spine, the back of the spine, a nice massage. Okay? कर देंगे इस प्रक्रिया को and relax. हाँ. So after having this attained this practice of stimulating the Manipur region, let's go a little down. और अब हम अपना ध्यान रखेंगे हमारे स्वाधिष्ठान चक्र पे, sacral region. Okay? So take a deep breath in and let's try to stimulate this sacral point. तो हमारा जो ये सीवनी नाड़ी है ना, that is associated with the sacral point, having the direct correlation with the urinary system and the bladder point. Yes. तो इस अभ्यास में स्वाधिष्ठान चक्र स्टिमुलेशन के अभ्यास में हम हमारे यूरिनरी सिस्टम को भी एक्टिवेट करेंगे, साथ ही साथ एसेंशियली स्वाधिष्ठान चक्र जो कि गेरुए रंग को नोटिफाई करता है. सो वी हैव टू अलाउ दिस पॉइंट टू गेट स्टिमुलेटेड बाय डूइंग द प्रक्रिया ऑफ सेतु बंधासन. ओके, क्या करना है? आपको लेटना है इन द सुपाइन पोस्चर एंड इन दैट वी हैव टू लिफ्ट द पेल्विक रीजन अप and we have to bring our focus at the point just below the navel. Okay, so you have to bring your attention at the point just below the navel. और आपको अपने, yeah, I will be showing you how to do it, but before that some points to be understood. Yes, so हम जब हमारे इस स्वाधिष्ठान चक्र जो कि just below the navel point है, and the spinal cord, it's located just below the navel, that is majorly responsible for the testis, ovary, uterus, urogenital tract, infertility issues, and all this problems associated with that point happens when due to the dormant state of this point. Yes, so by balancing asanas like what we are going to do, Setu Bandhasan, we are thereby going to stimulate this point. है ना? So let's get doing. क्या करना है? सो यू हैव टू अलाउ योरसेल्फ टू लाई डाउन प्रॉपर्ली फर्स्ट. एक बार देख लो चाहो तो, यू कैन वॉच इट आउट फर्स्ट. सो रियली allowing yourself to surrender. Let's try to bring both the foot, पैर के पंजे को आपके ज़मीन पर रखना है, मैट पर रखते हुए. Allow the buttocks to go up, and as the butts go up, we should be allowing the legs to come more and more closer and making the bridge pose. So allowing the back to get supported with the hands. Let's try to attain this bridge posture. और इस प्रक्रिया के दौरान आपको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना होता है दिस पॉइंट विच इज जस्ट बिलो द नेवल. ओके, और इस पूरे प्रक्रिया में पूरा ध्यान भी उसी जगह पे रहता है. सेतु बंधासन इट इज कॉल्ड. आफ्टर दैट, सो विल फर्स्ट अटेन दैट पोजिशन. One, two, three. Allow your chest to touch the chin. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Let's allow the buttocks to go down on the floor. Take a deep breath in, and we'll allow both the legs to go up in the Sarvangasana state. Okay? तो सर्व अंगों की पुष्टि के साथ साथ ये मेजरली हमारे स्वादिष्टान चक्र को भी स्टिमुलेट करने में कारगर है. तो क्या करना है? श्वास भरते हुए दोनों पैरों को ऊपर उठाते हुए अपने गर्दन को स्टर्नल नॉच पर फिक्स करते हुए, लेट्स ट्राई टू बैलेंस द बॉडी सच दैट द हैंड्स आर really pressing this back part. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करें आपके नेवल के नीचे के पार्ट को, दैट इज द यूरोजेनिटल ट्रैक्ट रीजन. 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Exhale and try to fall behind in the form of halasana. Slowly allow the both legs to go behind in the halasana. Stay here. 1, 2, 3. अगर आपको नहीं दिख रहा है then I'll come down. सो हलासना में हम हमारे पैरों को, पैर के पंजों को ज़मीन पर रखते हैं. एंड लेट्स ट्राई टू ब्रिंग ऑल द अटेंशन एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ यूरोजेनिटल ट्रैक्ट. 8, 9, 10. कीप योर लेग स्ट्रेट. पैर सीधा रहेगा. एक्सहेल, dropping the back down on the floor. Dropping the legs down on the floor. Let's relax. Okay? समस्थिति. तो एक बार फिर से इस अभ्यास को करेंगे because I assume you all might be looking at me at that time, right? So let's do it one more time. Take a deep breath in and let's get ready for Sarvangasana. दोनों पैर ऊपर, चेस्ट को आपके चिन पर लगाते हुए, allowing the chest to touch the chin. Let's take a deep breath and stay here. Exhale and drop your both the legs down in the halasana. Make sure that you are putting your entire focus at the point of urogenital tract. Great. Then, so after this, bring your both the hands to balance the buttocks to go down slowly, relaxing both the legs. Surrender totally. Exhale, relax. Exhale, relax. Lie down on the mat in the supine posture. Surrender totally, relax. अपने पूर्ण शरीर को आपको एक शवासन की स्टेट में रखना है. So allow yourself to completely surrender in this posture. Stay there. Take a deep breath in और अपना पूरा ध्यान हम हमारे मूलाधार रीजन पे रखेंगे. So let's bring all our awareness now to the groin part or the perineal root center. Okay? और इस पॉइंट पर आपको अपनी मन की आँखों को उस जगह पे केंद्रित करते हुए bring all your awareness and now let's try to chant the बीज मंत्र लम. Okay? आपको इस प्रक्रिया में लाल रंग को विजुअलाइज करते हुए लेट्स ट्राई टू विजुअलाइज द रेड कलर एंड विल ट्राई टू एक्टिवेट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ ग्रोइंग रीजन, मूलाधार सेंटर. ओके, टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन. लम लंबा गहरा श्वास भरना है और लम बीज के उच्चारण के साथ साथ एक्सलेशन करते हुए पूर्ण रूप से ध्यान हमारे मूलाधार पॉइंट पे रखना है. लम 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 ग्रेट. करवट लेंगे, बाईं करवट लेंगे और बाईं करवट लेते हुए लेट्स अटेन द पोस्चर ऑफ भुजंगासन. तो जिनको अगर आपको पीठ में दर्द हुआ होगा ड्यूरिंग द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ हलासन, यू कैन रियली रिलैक्स इट इन द पोस्चर ऑफ भुजंगासन. लेट्स स्टे हियर इन द भुजंगासन. लेट अस स्टे इन दिस भुजंगासन, allowing the small cells of the back to really relax. Great. Let's lie down on the prone posture. Let us lie down in the prone posture, catching both the hands with the help of the legs. तो अपने दोनों हथेलियों से आपके पैर के पॉइंट को, द टिप टो को पकड़ना है. Catch your fingers of your legs with the help of the hands. Take a deep breath in and allow your toes to really go up. And as you allow the chest also to move up. करेंगे धनुरासन का अभ्यास. इस धनुरासन के अभ्यास के दौरान आपको अपने रूट सेंटर पे फोकस रखना है. ओके, मूलाधार पॉइंट पे. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन एंड स्ट्रेच अप. Exhale down. Relax. Exhale down. फिर से इसी अभ्यास को करेंगे और इस अभ्यास को करने के दौरान आपको पूर्ण रूप से श्वास को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके रखना है ना. तो श्वास भरेंगे. Take a deep breath in and allow your both the hands to really catch hold the foot part properly. You may even catch the shin bones. Okay, आपकी मर्जी. Take a deep breath in and allow yourself to really move up, lift up. Exhale down. Surrender properly. दोनों हाथ सामने आगे की तरफ, आगे, और दोनों पैर पीछे रखते हुए लेट्स ट्राई टू फील द स्ट्रेचिंग एज लाइक ए रबर बैंड. जिस प्रकार से हम रबर बैंड को खींचते हैं ना दोनों तरफ से, वैसे ही अपने शरीर को रबर बैंड की भांति ट्राई टू स्ट्रेच इट. Samasthiti of Sukhasana. Let us come to the Samasthiti of Sukhasana. आंखें बंद रहेंगी और दोनों हाथ नमस्कार मुद्रा में रखेंगे. Let's join up both the hands together. Let us join up both the hands together. आंखें बंद, मन सहज, शांत, स्थिर करते हुए let's mentally chant the concluding mantra. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let us rub our both palms and gently place them over the eyes, and do not open your eyes. Let the hands go on the lap. Let's stay here for some time. Great. आंखें बंद रहेंगी and let's try to visualize whatever practices we had done today. है ना? Let's try to contemplate on whatever practices we had done today. So yoga, and majorly yoga, is the only way of keeping our entire system intact by helping the inner system really heal the way it needs to. Yes, so a very good method of stimulating endocrine system is by having a good lifestyle, a good diet, and accompanied with that a good yogic practices, right? So आप जानते होंगे we are suffering in this pandemic situation, and during this time it's very but natural to have a lot of hormonal problems and health issues, right? So to keep our body intact, it's very important that we do the practices daily to help the body combat the issues like high cholesterol, high cortisol level, high insulin deficiency problems, insulin resistance problems, infertility issues. इन सभी को stop करने के लिए, combat करने के लिए we have to do this practices of yoga daily, right? तो endocrine system को हमने टॉपिक लिया था आज because we know that the body is homeostasis. bodies balance को, body के balance को रखने के लिए, metabolism को, growth को, sexual development को, mental growth को, mineral balance को रखने के लिए intact, it's very important that we keep the endocrine system healthy. और जब हमारा एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम हेल्दी रहेगा, अल्टीमेटली हार्ट रेट रेगुलेशन रहेगी, हार्ट रेट रेगुलेट रहेगा, स्केलेटल ग्रोथ भी बेटर रहेगी, मेंटल नर्वस सिस्टम ग्रोथ भी बेटर रहेगी, है ना? सो विद दिस वी कैन कंक्लूड फॉर द टुडेज सेशन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग एंड हैव अ नाइस डे. यस, नमस्ते. ओम. Okay. So yes, thank you so much. Bye. Okay, for those of you who wish to know a little information about me, I am Neha Sangorkar from University of Patanjali, doing PhD, and currently in Goa developed Samyukta Yoga Academy, which is known for the very esteemed coaching preparation for the UGC NET JRF, and apart from that we also have the regular morning practices. So this is my center where I take regular classes at here, online as well as offline, and it was great pleasure to have Ahilya Yoga Kendra having associated with us. Thank you so much for having me on this board. Have a nice day. Take care. Stay safe. Om Shanti.